How to recover lost streaks on Snapchat. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Snapchat. Make sure you are logged into your account. Tap on your profile at the top left corner and then tap on this gear icon at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down and you'll find the option of I need help. Tap on it. And then right here in the source bar, search for Snapstreaks. Head over to the very first option. Scroll all the way down and right here click on I lost my Snapstreak and how do I restore it? It will land you on this interface. Now once again scroll down and tap on this form right here. Well, it will open up this page. Scroll all the way down and right here you need to fill up some of the informations. But right here for this option you need to tap on no. And then in the description box you need to enter the problem that you have been facing on Snapchat. You simply need to write that you want to recover the streaks. Once you have filled up all of these forms, tap on submit. And within 24 hours the Snapchat support will definitely come up with some solution for you. And your streaks will be recovered successfully and you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can recover your Snapchat streaks. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for watching it till the end.